Bye, Court. Rain or shine, as you can see, no one can stop us, you know. Like outdoors, outdoor is rain, outdoor is snowing, outdoor is sunshine, so unlimited. You know guys, when you are hungry and you're driving on the highway and you want to eat something and you're sleepy and your cookie is far away over there, you can't even reach it. You know my friends, if you love outdoors, you know, you don't choose any weather situation. If you have a plan, go for your plan. Don't regret one day that you never came, because sometimes it doesn't seem good, but mostly at the end is happiness. Yeah. Right? I will prove that to you later on. And why does the sun didn't shine today? Even though you are raining, because in life it's not always sunny. It's not always sunny in our life. We have to go through rain as well, you know. Ay, maulan. Daming butas. Utang na yan. Grabe na. Oh my God. Ay, daming butas. Iwas-iwas. Yung masarap eh. Yung ayan, kuho, sabi niya, kuho. 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 Ayun, daming ano. We're in the bridge over troubled water. Civic dito at mayroong Mercedes Benz. Hindi ko alam kung naliligaw kayo. Sorry. Ay, nako. Shit. Oh my God. I don't like it. We're going up. We can make it. Ng ganitong daan, masyadong kinurakot yung budget. Oh my goodness, dapat diretso yung daan eh. Kaya may nagcamping dito. Bakit di kayo bumaba? Tren nasira. What? Yeah boy. mo sa akin ha.
Pagbaba tayo mamaya, keep left tayo. Keep left, pababa.
Sige.
Paunahin kita ha.
Mauna ka na.
Yan na si Mr. B. Oh my goodness. What naman? Nahugasan yung kanyang truck. Sa tagal ba naman ang hindi nahugasan niya? Oh. Medyo makulimlim na dito, mapagi. Malapit na kami. Pasukan. Oh my gosh. Yung iba, susunod na daw. Ewan natin. Ewan natin. Grabe oh. Yun, papasok mo si Rappi. First time ni Mr. Baltics ang pumunta rito, kaya ito, second time na naman. Bababa na naman ako rito. Ano ba yan? Yung una, galing lang ako dito last week eh. And nag-invite yung kapatid ko. My brother invited, so invited me, you know. Okay, I let them be with me again. Because through my video, they see it, so. But actually, they've been here, though. Yeah, bababa na siya. Ayun. Nadali niya. Nagsigsag siya. Ayun. Kami ay bababa sa paraiso. May dala akong pasalubong. Ba? Ano to? Take two ito eh. Take two. Look at who's here. Hey bro, it's nice to see you. I don't know that you're coming before me. How's it going? Well, I like this. My offering. One cookie. Oh my goodness, this truck is shit. Why is down here in the spit? How do you able to? Where do you like? You went over there? Oh, this box. Oh, you're chilling out here. So how's it going? What time you were here? Huh? Last night or this morning? This morning? Early morning? Oh, early morning. Oh, look at that. Alright. Okay. So another location, another time, another day. Okay. Oh my goodness. So I just parked my car right over there. Because someone's coming here and there. So, yeah. Cool. So I got a free popcorn from those two girls at liquor store. This one. It will not flip over like what happened when we were at Ken Malbe. One bulalo, like one big thing, you know. Someone grabbed his cup of soup and then he was so drunk he fucking leaned onto the
No drunk people around in this area.
yeah, it fell off on the oh my goodness. Everyone's crying with that bulalo, you know. Alright. Nice. It was so foggy out there. It's foggy. We have a mini camp. Marami kami rito ngayon. Punong-puno ang campsite. Ayan o. Dito sa Lambeyo. Ang mga tropa. Ayan na yung inom, no?
Dami kong pinagdaan.
President?
Hindi yun madali. Pero kahit na gano'n.
At the moment, please calm down.
Naputol na.
With Lakay 4x4. Yeah. Original busy. Uy, pasimple.
Parang may gimbal.
May mga dumating na mga congressman dito. Si Mayor, si board member, at saka si ano? ito si mayaman kasi ito, malamang congressman to. Congressman. Tingnan mo naman ang mga congressman. Parang napapa-speechless na ako nito ano ba yung racket mo? Uy, putang ina, ganda. Wow. Ano bang racket natin, boss? Baka pwede mo akong mapayuan na makabili din ako ng mga ganito. Ha? Puta na, ito nga Ako nga, walang ganyan Puta na, saan ka ba? Mga nakakabiling ganyan, mga congressman. Maraming pondo yan. Siyempre. Kaya ako mahirap lang. Yun. May mga bisita tayo dito ngayon. Yan. Marami. Oo. Mag-bonfire muna tayo. Yan. Sakay nga tayo ng gladiator. Ay, ito yung gladiator na sinasabi nila. Jeep pala. Pag gladiator pala, yung screen niya mahaba. Para yung marami kang pupunta niya yung GPS mo, no? From point A to point B. Okay. Halos parehas lang naman pala sa Jeep. Yung kanyang, setup. Yan, meron siyang, differential locker. Okay. Automatic. Pare-pares lang pala ang mga design. Ayan. Tapos, ito yung shift niya. Ayan, mga port gear, 4 low, 4 high. Yan. Basic, pero maganda. Ito pala yung sinasabi nilang gladiator. Ang daming space pala yung gladiator, Ayan, ganyan pala, Para may captain na seat at saka meron siyang lagayan. Okay. Huwag na tayo mag-review. Meron pala siyang dual sunroof dito. Okay. Yung push buttons niya sa mirror. Ito yung may-ari, hindi pala sa akin yon. Hindi pala. Ito yung naapak, putang yun. Yung naapakan ko. Ano ba yung naapakan ko? Putang, nag-gladiator. Sorry. Putang yun. Shit. Ano? May usok na.
Atay?
Adobo. Ano po kayo? Ito yung aming kusina. Ayan. Mainit pa, no? Galing sa thermos yan,
Okay, pasok po kayo.
friends, natulog na naman ako sa kotse. Ayan. Itong bed ko. Kasya naman tayo dito. Ang dami kong dala. Ayan. Ayan, dala. Ayan o, Kenyan. Kasya naman tayo dito. Ayan, pagkasya. Kasya naman tayo dito. Okay lang. Basta baluktot ka lang, kasya. Dapat nga pag ganun eh. Para mas maluwang. Ang dami kong dala eh. So, ganun na lang, side view. At least, nakaraos sa gabi. So, tingnan natin kung anong ginagawa ng mga tao sa labas. Ayan, gising na sila, nagkakapi na sila doon. Nagkukwentuhan. Okay? So, let's go down. So, bukas yung aking mga gadgets. Medyo, it was raining last night. So, yun. So, ayan, kita nyo naman. You see the water. Dew. So, dami kong dala. Labas muna tayo kasi may internet kami. Hindi ako ng internet. Diyan tayo natulog kagabi, oh. Kaya labas muna tayo. Ako, kalat naman dito. Ano kayong nangyari dito? Aray ko, nauntog pa ako. Bakit kasi mababa ito? Ayan, parang squatter tayo ngayon dito. Mga to, gising na sila. Nag-music pa. Coffee in the morning. Yan, coffee. Magkakape ako. And then I have sardines. I have still the rice and I will eat later. Nakakusap yung mga dala ko. Grabe yun. Ano ba ginagawa ng mga tao rito? Nagta-target shooting sila rito. Nagta-target shooting. Ay, dumating yung pangalawang kapatid ko, naka-FJ. At yung kanyang asawa they are making some food because I didn't bring my food today. I brought my food today, but I'm not going to cook because I don't like to cook on camping. So my sister-in-law is gonna cook it. And this is Ryan, my oldest brother in the family. Bakit ko katira? He is cooking. What are you cooking? What is that? This is Jason, our elder brother. Eldest. Jason, elder and eldest, right? I'm the youngest, of course. And let's find Mr. Baltiksky. He said his first time here. I just can't believe he was telling me he's been through off-roading for many years, and I don't really believe him that it was his first time here. He might be because he gets a new truck and doesn't want to go out anymore. What are you planning near your portable? You're planning something, huh? Ha? Sabi ko na nga ba eh, darating kayo eh. Yan ang gusto ko sa inyo. Nagbabasa ng posting.
Sabi nga Arnel, maagat na siya eh.
Nice to see you again, bro. Kapi na tayo, kapi na. Ito, tayo, isang group tayo rito. Find a spot there on the other side. Maybe you go over there. If you want. Ayan na. Hoy, baka matrasan ako. Ayan, oh. Ayan. So they pulled over there. And then there you go. Mr. Benny. Mr. Benny is making his own dish right here. And there you go. He was parked over there and he brought something to lunchtime. Okay.
Ikaw, anong alas yung kaalis?
Lunchtime. This is our last meal.
Yeah.
Right here.
Pwede rin,
Oh,
madaling araw
European
lang ako.
charcuterie. Sweet. Then we were expecting you yesterday. I know you went to your meetup cruising. Ito na. Dumating si Charlie. Ayan. Ayan, present.
Happy birthday.
Sabi ko na nga ba to eh. Nag-ask ng kwanto eh, ng coordinate pupunta to sabi ko nag-ask na ako.
Bro, actually, yesterday,
Tutulog, oh. Talaga.
Sa wakas, sumipot ka rin. Anong nangyari? May sakit ka kahapon, anong nangyari? Sabi ko, nung nagdadrive kasi ako nun eh. Sabi ko, okay pre, get well soon, sabi ko, off ko na agad eh. Hindi ko na narinig yung pag sinabi, nagsalita ka pa yata eh. Kasi nagdadrive ako eh.
talaga na may boses ko kahapon.
Puta na, wala na to. Sabi, wala na to. Sige pre, get well soon, okay, bye. Tapos tinatawagan ko naman si GR.
Luto ni paring Charlie. Ito. Yan. The red chicken.
What are you cooking, boss?
Oh. Guys, siya lang kanyang eater.
Jenks! Uy! Are you busy? Give it to Rafi.
Yung firewood, oh. Pagkatong yan, oh. Dahil, nawala na naman yung ating fire van. Oh, dami pa rito. Oh, ayun, oh, di ba? Oh, dami pang gatong. Bakit yan ang gas ang inana nyo? Bakit yung gas?
Ay ba?
Siyempre,
Ha?
nangingialam ko. Ginamit namin yung kahoy, wala na.
Kalibasa, ito yata yung tank.
Gabi na yun.
Ito yung kinargang ko eh. Hindi pa naubos eh.
Sa mamaya, dadalhin niya.
Ito yung binayaran ko ng $20, oh.
Yan.
Oo. Binalik ko sa kanya, di ko nagamit. Kinargang ko pa. Oh. But I like this one. Yung ginamit ko yung body ito instead. Right. Ay, shit na. 6 p.m. So the group is leaving now. So hope to see you again next time. Right now here. Let's take a look. Dinner time. Mukhang hindi yata kami alis ah. Ano yung niluluto po ninyo? Tuyo. Kaso alis na yung mga kasama ko. Alis na kami. Tingnan ko kung ano yung karga ng cooler ko dito. Asan na yung mga, yung mga gamit ko at ako ay kaming
Wala, yung ginawa ko
going.
eh. Yung tong tsaka yung...
Yan.
Dahil na namin.
Bago ako alis, may kakain muna ako.
Tapon
Yan.
mo na yan.
Don't touch the thing.
Mhm.
Mamaya hindi mo pa itatapon yung puto.
Mm.
Hindi pa yung luma, no?
Thank you guys. See you next time again.
Bilang side down.
Hope to see you again next time, okay? What? Take charge. Most of my friends are going. I'm supposed to go. Okay, bye-bye. Trees, nature. Mwah. Papasa ko yan sa'yo. Ang maglala. Wag kang, don't be sad boy. Smile.
Video mo sa akin yung ano ha.
Show me your cutest smile.
Nagpulobor muna kami dito kasi nung plinano namin ni JR na magkapi-kapi muna kami dito ng mga ibang group, eh nag-set ako ng mobile ko. Kaya nasagap namin si Arnel, kaya sakto naman hinintay namin dito.
Yo.
Di ba? Okay, Arnel? Approve? Oh. Kasama niya kasi sila, Benny, meron silang mobile radio. Na iba yung frequency ng lakay, kaya yun ang sinet namin. That's why it's just coincident that he's coming and we stop over here. Yeah. We're about to go home now. So Charlie and the rest
Let's go home.
we went through.
Yeah.
Ano, wala na sila?
Thank you. So we're all together again. So the Dutch rum will go first for this time. Ayun, no? So this is called air up. Called air up. Air up. Oh shit, pundi yung ilaw ko. Shit, kaya pala. Ayan, ang sama ng ilaw niyo, ang tatapang. Ayan si Arnel, oh. Ano Arnel? Saan na yung mga ano mo? Pang air up mo? Ang bilis nun ah. You know, yung ang bilis ng air up ni ano ah. Hello, ayun. Okay lang ba kayo? Dito ah. Oh, wait a year. Bilis oh, no? Parang dual pump lang siya eh. Si ano? Pundi oh, pundi. Hoy. Ano to?